between. In between.
Hold it!
Oh my God! Yeah. I found it! Yeah, on the 22nd, we're going to double work.
Yes! Yeah. You're knocked down!
Oh!